Okay, now we move on to the kind of like the main chorus bit of the song, I guess. This is the bit everyone knows. So it's the memorable bit. So I'll play 1 through to you again, and then I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so it goes something like this. It goes. Right. Okay. So let's get started on this one. Basically, so after you play the you sustain the third string 9th fret, and then from from the third string and 9th fret you start. Where you go is you go, so it's 9th, 7th, then 10th on the 4th string, so it's right. Then go back to the 7th, 9th. So altogether it's 9th, 7th, 10th, 7th, 9th. Then you go to 7th string, 4th fret. Yeah, so it's right. After that you go back to its 9th, 7th. So altogether it's I'll do it slowly again with one thing, so it's right, okay. After that you go back, you go 10th again, so 10th fret on 4th, again, so 7th, 9th, but then you go to 10th string, 10th fret, 2nd string, 8th fret, 2nd string, back to 9th, then back to 10th, then to 7th. Okay, I know that was a lot, so I'll play it again slow motion. So okay, my hand is kind of always in the way, it's really annoying. So okay, so we've done that bit. Then it's you go back to a 9th, so you go 10th on 2nd, 8th on 1st, 7th on 1st, back to 8th, 10th on 1st, 8th on 1st. Let's do that again. So it's right again. 7th, 8th, 10th, 8th. Then you go to back to 10 on 1st. Okay, 10th on 2nd, sorry. Yeah, so it's right. Then it's 8th on 2nd. Hammer on. So okay, so let me play all of that part together again on the all together. Okay, let's go. So it's okay. So, by the way, if you need the tab, it's linked at the side of where the video is. That's got all the tab for how to play it. Okay, and basically, next, he plays that bit the second time, but he plays slightly different notes. He plays a sharp version of it. So basically, what you do is you play everything I just showed you to play, all of it, except you move everything up 2 frets. So you go down to here. So now instead of starting off on 9th fret, 3rd string, you start off on the 11th fret, 3rd string. Okay, and exactly the same pattern, everything's the same. So it's right, so exactly the same as I showed you with starting from the 9th string, except you move everything down 2. Okay, great. And then the next bit is again when I was showing you the yep, this bit is exactly the same as the pre-verse, but as with the chorus bit, you just move all the notes down. You move all the notes up 2 frets. So it's okay, and then the next part is kind of the, I guess, the fill. It goes something like this. It goes. Okay. So basically, all that is you start off. They're all power chords. So put your fingers like that, or like just these 2 fingers if you want. What it says is it's the 2nd fret. This power chord is 2nd fret, 4th string. Okay, and you go then to A. You just bar these 2 strings with this finger. Okay, so it's, and it's basically just these 2 chords. So it's okay, so it's on the 2nd fret, and then it's open. Okay, so it's just the C flat. So let's play it again. Then you go to the D. So it's D, A, D, C sharp. Okay. And all together, that should sound something like. Okay. Alright? Okay, right, well, so that's it, and if you want me to do the solos, just message me, and I'll do the second part of the solo. So, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.